Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can find draft of your reels in Instagram. So this is my Instagram account. So first I need to go to my profile. This is my profile. Okay, so herein I need to click this option, this one, this option, and you can see this is my save draft. I can click on it. I can click on it. I can click on edit to view it. Okay, so this is my draft of my reels. I can share it, or I can make other changes, or again save to draft. Like this, I can again save it to draft, or I can share it. It's up to me, or I can delete it as well. For example, I can just click on this, select this one. I can delete it, discard it, or make other changes. So it's up to me. So I hope now you will be able to do it.